Have you ever had a repair done at your home and wondered how much training the workers have had? Stay tuned. In this video, I'll tell you what it takes to become a trained technician at Acculevel. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. We hear the horror stories about a company doing a repair and they didn't really know what they were doing. In this video, I'll let you know what foundation and waterproofing techs do, how they are trained, and how they become a crew leader. Before we go further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. So our foundation waterproofing technicians are the backbone of our company. They're the ones that are going to come out and do that work that needs to be done at your home. Whether it's installing the helical piers, whether it's installing the water drainage, getting in your crawl space all day and working underneath your home. These are the people that come out and actually install the product that's going to make the difference for your home. Training is one of the most important things that we do here at Acculevel. Because you're trusting us to come in, do what we say we're going to do, and do it the right way. In reality, with what we do, so much of it gets covered back up by soil, or it gets covered up by concrete, or is in that nasty crawl space that you don't want to go in to check. And maybe even if you did go check, you might not be so familiar to know exactly what you're looking for. And so making sure that our guys are trained so that you can trust us and we can trust them to do the right job is the most important thing that we do. The best way to train is on-the-job training. Being an extra helping hand to the crews that are already out there that have been doing this for years and have seen every different circumstances, because no home is exactly the same. We work on homes from 200 years old to 2 months old, from basements, crawl spaces to slabs. And so the best way for somebody to take this in is being with an established crew that does a great job day in, day out, and learn from them and learn how they do it, learn the Acculevel way of how we treat customers and how we do the right thing. Crew leaders is an opportunity for our technicians to be a leader of their team and to be the person that represents their team to both the customer and the company every day that they go out to a job. This comes with very strenuous requirements. Having a great track record of being a great worker, a great leader, and a great teammate. And who's going to put the customer first? And that's really the most important thing anytime we're looking at our team leaders or our crew leaders. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about our installation technicians? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.